Good morning guys and welcome back to Vesterålen. As you can see, it's starting to get colder. We've had snow in the mountains and tonight we had approx -2 degrees. Pretty much all the leaves are gone. It's a little bit on the tree right there. I have a lot of things I have to do before the winter comes. One of them is I have a project I'm debating a little bit about if I should do and how I should do it. I want to extend the parking space I have into this area here. The only problem is there's a lot of roots. So I'm not sure. The best would be to have somebody come with an excavator and, take away the roots. But I don't have the time and I don't want to spend money on it right now. So I'm thinking about a second solution. So I decided to try the second solution, which means I will try to do this project on my own with the help of the tractor and also some manual work. I was thinking about trying to use the reel blade to pull up all the roots and the stumps that is left in this area here. Okay, so the first step of the new parking lot went a lot better than I first expected, and yeah, I'm satisfied so far. So what I think I'll do now is put some plastic or geotextile before I put new gravel on top of it. But anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this type of stuff, and if you do, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Okay, goodbye.